Welcome to 10133 East Toledo Avenue in Cadence at Eastmark. The open kitchen includes a large island and breakfast bar, quartz counters, a walk-in pantry, and stainless steel appliances with double ovens, gas cooktop, and built-in microwave. The interior showcases 10 to 12-foot ceilings, plantation shutters, and luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the main living areas. Upstairs, a large loft provides flexible space for a media room, play area, or second family room. The primary suite offers a spa-like bath with quartz counters and a walk-in shower. Situated on a quiet interior north-south lot, this home features a primary suite and guest bedroom with full bath on the main level, perfect for multi-generational living, guests, or a home office. Step outside to enjoy an extended covered patio, additional concrete entertaining space, and a large landscape backyard with synthetic grass for easy maintenance. Additional highlights include a 3-car garage and walking access to nearby parks.